Ever wondered how to measure just a part of a circle, like a slice of pizza? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of arc length and sector area. Let's start with a circle. Imagine a pizza cut into slices. The curved edge of one slice is called an arc. To measure this arc, we need two things: the circle's radius, which is 6 units, and the central angle, which is π/3 radians. The formula for arc length is simple: S equals r times theta. Plugging in our values, we get 6 times π/3, which simplifies to 2π. Now let's find the area of the entire pizza slice, or sector. We use the formula A equals 1/2 r²θ. Substituting our values, we get 1/2 times 6 squared times π/3. This simplifies to 1/2 times 36 times π/3, which is 18 π/3. And finally, 6π. So the arc length is 2π, and the sector area is 6π. These calculations demonstrate how central angles determine the proportions of a circle's circumference and area.